Nigerians, what is your problem? What is exactly your problem, Nigerians? This is the time we are supposed to be articulated, and we are here chasing rats, fighting ourselves for no just cause. This is the time we are supposed to tell our leaders that we are tired of this nonsense. This is the time we are supposed to tell the NNPC boss that we are tired of this. Let everybody gather up. Let everybody tighten his belt. Let us go and ask him a question. Why should we buy fuel at the cost of 1,000 naira? We are living in the land of plenty and we are hungry. The things we produce, the things we give people at a cheaper rate is what we buy exorbitantly. It is time you rise. This is not the time you start fighting your brother. This is not the time you start fighting ethnicity. We must stand up. This is the time we need to unite ourselves and ask our leaders the question. 2 Kings chapter 7 verse 4, verse 3. It says, 4 lepers were seen in the city, and they talked to themselves, if we stay at this gateway, that we will die. And if we go inside the city, there is still famine there and we will die. But we need to move. Chapter 5, he said, behold, they took the risk and said, if we go there and they spare us, we will live. And they kill us, we will die. But we are not going to die here. Lo and behold, they went inside the city and see, the food was there and there was nobody to kill them. No man was found. Nigerians, you are fighting yourself for no just cause. And your leaders, people you call your leaders, are the ones fueling this hatred and wickedness. And you that is suffering and smiling is the person who is carrying this hatred. How long? How long, Nigerians, will you rise and see that your leaders are deceiving you? Nigerians, gather up. Let us meet the NNPC boss. Let him tell us why we should be in the land of plenty and eat like an ant. Let us ask him why we should have oil in abundance and buy oil very exorbitantly. Nigerians, arise. Arise. If we die, we die. If we live, we live. But our God will never allow us to die. What kind of nonsense is this in the 21st century? What kind of wickedness? They are here addressing us for hate speech, but they are the people who are causing all this nonsense. Arise, Nigeria. If you don't arise now, you will suffer it tomorrow. Let me tell you, any leader, any churchman, any pastor, any reverend, any bishop that is not speaking out now, know it, he is a fraud. Any pastor that is keeping quiet in this moment, know it, he is a scam. Any reverend father that is not speaking out by this time, that is not coming up talking to the people that believe in him, for us to go and ask these people question, is a scam. Take it from me. They are not good. They are among them. Because Bible says that you shall know the truth, and the truth which you have spoken shall set you free. How long do we continue to stay and see our church members, our Muslim community, the atheists stay together and they see all this impunity going on in our land, and you are still keeping quiet? If you are a man of God, if you believe in whatever you believe, and now you are not talking, you are a fraud, you are a thief. You need to stand up now. You have the power. I have the power. We need to talk out. We need to say it. Let this nonsense stop. These people are not greater than us. Their army cannot finish us. Their police cannot finish us. Enough is enough. Imagine somebody quelling in the filling station, buying a fuel for 1,000, 1,100 in Nigeria, that we are the giant that produce oil. What kind of nonsense is that? It is no longer acceptable. It is no longer acceptable. We have endured for too long. What will happen, let it happen. But as for us to be in this gateway and die, it's better we be in the city and die. This nonsense must stop. This nonsense must stop. They are there to serve us. We are not here to serve them. They are here to serve us, but they have torn the people they have come to serve. as their servants. How can we? How can we become servants when they are swearing their oath of office? They are there to serve us, to protect our interests other than their own selfish interest. But now they are protecting their selfish interest instead of protecting the interest of the people they have vowed with their Quran and with their Bible to serve. This is an error under the sun. As a prophet of God, it has touched my heart, and I will not relent. If I die, I die. Stand up, Nigerians. How long will you suffer in penury? Why the people who are embezzling our funds are flying on jets? The poor masses have no food to eat. See hunger everywhere. People are fainting by day on the road because of hunger. The food prices have skyrocketed. There is no good education. There is no better health care. They are still there embezzling our fund. There is no hope for the leaders of tomorrow. They call us ladder. They have made us to climb up. How long will you stay and see this impunity done in the city of mankind? It's an error under the sun. Nigerians, arise. Lend your hands, lend your voice. Stand up, get up, stand up for your right. It is a time we say a no to this. Nigerians, we are not of the children of the lesser God. We are the children of the Most High God that dwelleth in heaven, who has the supremacy and the audacity over all earth, who pretend over umbrages on this planet earth. God is faithful. If you think he's not faithful, that keep your mouth shut and die in penury. These people are demons. They want you to die shamefully, carelessly. If you keep quiet, you die carelessly. Let us arise and seek for what belongs to us. It can never be taken by anyone. Never. It can't happen. It cannot happen. Arise. Get up. Stand up for your right. Stand up for your right. Let us fight for our rights. It is our right for good living. The law stated it. We have the right to live. We have no right to die. These people are pocketing our money. Anywhere it will be better for us, they will go and close it like a door. Where we are going to buy the cheapest, they say it is only so people that will buy from there. What an impunity. God bless you. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin, your prophet in disguise. If things are not done right, I will not stop crying till tomorrow. This is evil against humanity.